Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is how your next 15 days will be chance reading. Yes, friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, and we have a full moon coming up, so we'll look at that also in this reading. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website, friends, www.magicwinstarot.com. And this is a general reading. It may resonate and it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind, angels. And how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well, friends. And look at that, the cards are already jumping out. Yes, so how are you all doing? And there is a full moon coming up, and it is an important full moon, so we're gonna look at that also in this reading. And we're gonna look first at the theme of the next 15 days for you, and then we're gonna look at the charms also. Okay, so we're gonna look at it into detail. So theme of the next 15 days for our viewers. Okay, lots of cards are coming. We're gonna take few of them. Theme of the theme of the next 15 days. Yeah, some cards have it doesn't want to come out, but it's the side energy. Okay, this want to come out. The 8 of swords, the hanged man, and then there is this 10 of swords and the side energy. Wonderful, friends, wonderful. I do feel that next 15 days, friends, right now the theme is you are coming out of stuck energy. There has been a lot of stuck energy, a lot of endings, a lot of stuck energy. I don't know how to say this, but you are feeling like, like you are at a dead end. Life is stuck. There is nothing good happening, or you feel stuck, you feel burdened, and you feel restricted and blocked. But that's gonna shift for you in the next 15 days. So that's a wonderful energy. And it is going to be like you are currently feeling like you don't have many options or choices right now in life. You're feeling a little blocked, or maybe the world situation is making you feel irritated. But this is going to change in the next 15 days. And also burdens, you are feeling very burdened about something. I feel for some of you it is a family situation, emotional situation, and for others of you it is a financial work situation that's causing you burdens. But it is going to change, friends. It is going to change. These heavy clouds are going to lift off for you, and these swords are also going to go away. And next 15 days, yes, I do see breakthroughs coming for you, a new sense of thinking coming for you, a new sense of breakthroughs, new ideas, new ventures, some sort of a relief coming for you. That's the theme. Look at that, 3 of cups. Yes, party, celebrations, friendships, support is coming towards you, a sense of relief that yes, finally things are going to get better. More support is coming your way, so congratulations for that. Let us see what will happen in the next 15 days for our viewers. Let's see that. Next 15 days for our viewers, how the next 15 days will be. Let's keep it this way so we can have a little more space like this. Next 15 days for our viewers. Okay. Isolation, yeah, 3 of swords. You are feeling a little isolated, you are feeling a little alone, and there is conflict, yeah, but it's going to resolve. I think your mind is also saying one thing, your heart is saying another thing right now. But it is going to shift for you. Yes, look at that harmony, 10 of cups. I do see blessings coming your way. I do see some sort of a healing happening for you, friends, in the next 15 days, especially in your love life and family. Some sort of a relief coming for your way. And look at that, the thunderbolt. Yes. There is a lot happening, for you, friends. Also, some of you may feel a little bit of anger issues in the next 15 days, or you might find ways to resolve your anger or deal with it. Some sort of a frustration. If not anger, then there is that frustration that why this is happening, why this is taking so long. But I think that energy is shifting. It's absolutely shifting for you, so don't worry, because there is the 10 of cups harmony coming for you. So, and the hanged man, that is like You finding breakthroughs, you finding solutions. And look at that, the rebel. Yes, you are a rebel, friends. Next 15 days you are going to change the way you think, change the way you dress up, change the way life has been for you. Some of you make quit your jobs, quit some bad habits, and move into healthier habits. So it is a good time. Next 15 days I see you also going after your dreams and taking charge of your life. So you're gonna do that, you're gonna take charge of your life. You're not going to wait for any anymore. You're going to go after your dreams, whether it is in love or relationships. Innocence, yes, I feel, see life through a very innocent see life like a child does. When we are young, how life appears very beautiful. Life appears very innocent, isn't it, friends? That is what you need to do in the next 15 days. Some sort of an innocence is coming back, a relief, a friendship, a relationship. More, even the universe will support you more in the next 15 days. So you will feel like a child that's being guided. It's a beautiful energy. So see life as a child, see life, in a new way. I know it's tough, but I think some of you will also be very nostalgic about your past, your childhood, or you may even reconnect with childhood friends, childhood people, cities and places. Yes, I do see in love there is some sort of a tug of war going on. There is like, if you are in a relationship, there is a no contact situation or long distance connection, there is some sort of an argument or fight happening, but I see that resolving in the next 15 days for you. Yes. And nine of swords, yeah, I do feel that you are not going to sleep much, or you will not need a lot of sleep in the next 15 days, because you are very active, your mind is very active. And even six of cups, you are missing somebody. Look at that, someone is also thinking about you, missing you. You are also thinking about them. It could be a twin flame, it could be a lover, it could be a soulmate, an ex-husband wife. It could be someone you're dreaming about a new connection. I do see some of you are trying to manifest a new lover. Yes, that's gonna happen. And if you feel stuck in manifesting this new lover, new connection, you will find the ways. You will find some breakthrough in the next 15 days. So congratulations. Let's see. Some card dropped out. Conditioning, yeah, I do feel you're breaking through. This next 15 days is about breakthroughs, new ideas, new inspirations, letting go of the old, finding new relief, new ideas, new healing. A lot of good things. Even old friendships, seeing the old in a new way, seeing the past in a new way, compromise. Six of Pentacles, yeah, I do feel you're somewhat in your money situation, friends. You are a little frustrated, like your money is not coming, or you want more money. Yes, it will happen, friends. You might feel like you're compromising with your work. You deserve more success, but you are not getting it right now. You deserve more money, but it's not happening. It will shift, friends. It will shift. Give it some time. Traveling, yeah, I did felt you guys, some of you are traveling, because with 10 of cups I did felt some of you are traveling towards a family member or towards a lover, or you are moving to and fro from your, some of you might be going to colleges, back to your universities, colleges, jobs, or travel is important in the next 15 days, or you want to travel, think thoughts about traveling are there. Some of you would also like to change your job, your workplace. That's also on your mind, to shift, to relocate your current job. Politics, yeah, you are fed up of the politics happening at your workplace, friends. I definitely feel that's one reason you want to change your job, or you want to change your career, because you feel like, oof, too much politics. Yes, I agree. There is, in fact, mind, yeah. An Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be important to you, friends, in the next 15 days. I do feel that, let's see about the politics, clarify this. Yeah, I do feel that, at your work, the only thing that's happening is that people see you are very talented, and they are a little, shocked and surprised by your talent. So don't take it negatively if people are, talking about you Because you know you are very talented, friends, and in the next 15 days you're gonna prove your more prove your mettle, you know, prove your success, prove you that you are very worthy at your work, very intelligent, very sharp minded, very clever. So people will be like, wow, look at them, look at you, look at our viewers. So you know they'll be surprised. And look at that receptivity. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be important to you in the next 15 days. And I see that new things are coming, but you're gonna stay open. You're gonna see, you will have to see things with the new eyes, because new opportunities are coming your way in the next 15 days. But if you are stuck with the past or stuck with blocks, you might miss them, friends. You really might miss them. So don't do that. A rebirth, yes, a rebirth is going to take place for you, friends. Amazing rebirth. A new start is happening for you in your love life and in your work and career, financial sector also. Also, I see some celebration. Some of you may be having birthdays in the next 15 days. So happy birthday. And maybe some anniversaries are there for some of you, your marriage anniversaries or your, you know, childbirth anniversaries or something like that. And look at that, eight of sword. Oh yeah, you are this card has come twice. Look at that, from two different decks, two cards have come. You know, you have to let go of some blocks. You know, in the next 15 days you're gonna let go of anything that's stopping you, and you're gonna move like a phoenix. You know, you're gonna rise out of the ashes. And the goddess Kali, you know, that's supporting you. Goddess, the god Shiva, Lord Shiva, and the goddess Kali, the transformation, you know, the goddess, the god and goddess of rebirth, transformation, phoenix rising out of the ashes. It's a powerful, powerful energy. And look at that, the source. Yes, you are very, very connected to the spirit world, to the universe. In the next 15 days, you will receive a lot of messages. You will receive a lot of synchronicity, 111, 222, you know, all these signs, feathers, butterflies. You're very, very connected to the spirit, to the universe, and your spiritual ancestors and guides are connecting with you in the next 15 days very strongly. And I see a spiritual breakthrough happening for you, you know, a breakthrough. Whatever is troubling you right now, you know, you will find its solution in the next 15 days. So look out for that. Let's see what else. And I do see that in a relationship, healing will happen. Someone is leaving their mind, their ego, and coming towards you. Someone will call you, message you, your twin flame, your ex husband, wife, your lover, no contact situation. That person will call you, message you. For others, some friends are going, new friendships will happen. For some of you, some past friends will return back. For others, you are trying to manifest a new connection. Yes, you will be successful. Keep manifesting. Blessed. Yes, you are very, very blessed. And see, we talked about 222. Here it is, number 22. So yes, friends, in next 15 days, your blessings will increase. You will actually see some solid signs that you are blessed. You are very supported. Breathe. Yes, you are very busy next 15 days, friends. So it will be a good idea to take some time to rest, to relax. Number 29 is important. Number 22, 27, 25 are important. So, you know, take some time, relax. All, you know, you are on the right path and at the right place at the right time. You will be there. Nothing, you know, some of you may feel right now like you are going to miss out on things which are meant for you, like that job or something, your lover, your married partner, you're gonna miss them. No, you will not. What is meant for you will find you. Don't worry. Round and round, number 25. So I do feel there is a love situation which is very frustrating, which is going in circles and is not resolving. But in the next 15 days, chances of it resolving are very high. All right. Look at that, the higher power. Yes, spirit is very strongly connecting with you in the next 15 days, friends. So you're gonna hear a lot of you know, your guides, your spiritual ancestors. Some of you may even start you know, connecting with our channel for the first time, so you have not yet seen our channel, but I'm telling you, you will be in the coming 15 days, because you will be guided to many such things, Reiki, astrology, tarot. Something destined is happening for you in the next 15 days, friends. And I also feel that a resolution will happen, There is something that's bothering you that will be resolved by God, that will be resolved by the angels. And we'll see with the charms also, so worry not. What will happen in the next 15 days for our viewers? Seven chakra archangel Uriel. Yes, friends, knowledge is very important. Telepathy, some of you will be learning something new, connecting with spirituality, crystals, yoga, all those kind of things. And also telepathy, yeah, you're connecting telepathically with a lot of people, with your lover, your soulmate, caring connections. Yes, a new connection is oh my god, look at that. Whew. Goosebumps. Look at that. Can you see the number on this? 41. Can you see the number on this? 14. Whoa. Mirroring energies, friends. You are going to find exactly what you are looking for, friends, in the next 15 days. Telepathy is very strong in all your connections, and especially in your love relationship. So yes, a loving person, a loving union, a soulmate union is coming for you. A twin flame union is going to happen for you. I will be doing a twin flame reading, because now it's very clear we need to do it. And because alignments are starting to happen, big alignments are happening in the world now, energetically, big planets aligning, so telepathy and relationships are very important for you in the next 15 days. So, healing will happen in your relationships, be it family, be it friends, be it a twin flame or soulmate relationship. And attachments, look at that. I do feel someone is going to express their love to you, and especially if this person was very much attached to ego, to money, to other cultural issues, tradition, that person is definitely going to leave that behind and open to love. What a wonderful reading. And yes, money is also coming your way, friends. So listen to your intuition, because money is also coming your way. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus might also be important. But friends, listen to your intuition, listen to your mind, your heart, because that will be guiding you towards money, towards a lot of, success in your financial area. Let's see what else. Okay, coming in action, communication. Wow, coming in action. Oh my god, that was insane. I made it three words when it was one word, but that's how I read it. Coming in action, so communications, you getting ready to communicate, someone else getting ready to express. And interestingly, today is the solstice when I'm recording this reading, and a very happy solstice to every one of you, wherever you are. And it is a time of spirituality. It is a time when you make your wishes and they come true. And it is also a time, that will affect you for the next 6 months until the next solstice in the autumn. In in the autumn, in September, it will happen again. Yeah, right. So look at this. You look at this communication. So yeah, important communications from people around you, from your past friends, from your future, from your spirit guides. Everyone, everyone is trying to communicate with you. So listen to what is happening. Listen to that. Let's see some advice. So what is the advice for the next 15 days? And then we're gonna look at the charms also. Wisdom? Yeah, you are going to get a lot of knowledge in the next 15 days. Solutions, breakthroughs that you are looking for, things which are solutions which you are looking for. And look at that power. You're gonna feel you're very, very powerful, friends. Yes, you have a power to change, to manifest, to attract a lot of things in the next 15 days. Security, yes, you are going to feel very secure, whether it is emotionally or financially. So that is going to happen. What else you need to keep in mind? I feel in the power, with power, you need to be careful, friends. Don't get, you might feel a little bit of frustration, but angry also, but don't go off balance, don't go to any extreme, because you are very powerful. So don't do that. And look at that transformation. Huge changes are coming for you, positive changes are coming for you. So stay focused, changes are happening. This is not the end for you. Like, some of you are like, oh, we have been waiting forever, when will things change? This is now when it is changing, and very soon you will be out of it, and see the good things. So keep at it, friends, keep at it. And blessings, again, the blessings card. I think some of you needed to hear it twice. Look at that. Blessed. So you didn't believe it here, right? That you are blessed. So angels are like, see, you have a lot of blessings. And I see some of you should start to music, or start singing, I don't know what you need to tell. You are not saying things you need to say, so start saying those things, and it will be important. Start doing things which make you happy. That's important. So let's see some advice for our viewers in the next 15 days. What is the advice for our viewers? Alright, we're gonna see also, before that, we're gonna also see how the full moon will be for our viewers. Let's see that. How the full moon that's coming for on the 24th, how it will be for our viewers. Building blocks. So yeah, you are trying to build, you're trying to take your dreams forward. You are trying to work on your life goals, work on your relationships, your marriage. You are definitely trying, progress. That's what it is about, this full moon. Trying to take your life ahead, your career ahead, your relationships ahead. Like if you are married, you want to have kids. If you are a student, you want to have a job. If you are working, you want to have a promotion. So next things, right? Flexibility, yes. This full moon will also bring you a lot of ideas, a lot of solutions. So stay flexible, don't be fixed, like I will do this only and not this. Your prayers can be answered in many different ways. So stay flexible. Mending, oh, lovely. A lot of things are mending for you, friends. Your heart, your financial healing is happening, emotional healing is happening. So you are healing, friends. Whatever you have lost has caused you a lot of pain. I don't know what you have lost. Maybe it is money, maybe it is a pet you have lost. It's been painful, but all those things are healing now. And stay flexible, because I do see this full moon will also bring you some new changes in your diet, new changes in your health, better health, exercising, yoga, Zumba. You might be starting those things, or quitting bad habits, sitting in a good posture, like I'm also sitting in a bad posture, and I suddenly like, oops, let's sit in a better posture. So all those things are going to happen, and yeah, probably my throat will also heal. Because we have the mending card, so I hope that happens. And what else? Number 19, number 28 are important for you. 14, number 5, number 12, and 22 are important. So let's see some advice for you, and then we're gonna look at the charms for the next 15 days. Next 15 days for our viewers. Advice. Okay, wow. Look at that. Manifestations. That's beautiful, friends. So you're definitely working on the, try, and instead of being frustrated, instead of feeling blocked, friends, in the next 15 days, try to pray for what you need, what you desire, because whatever you pray for, you will have a very, very strong chance of actually getting that prayer answered. So whatever you are trying to manifest or pray, you will achieve it very, very soon. and power and intention. You are very, very powerful, friends. Do not doubt yourself in the next 15 days. You are very powerful no matter how your situation, external situation appears. You are very powerful. You have very strong guides. I can actually feel your guides beside me. They are very strong, friends. They are very, very powerful. I wish I could show them to you, but I can't because that's not, I can't really, seriously. We don't have cameras yet to capture spirit guides. Maybe in the future, maybe that's what we can mix now. But we can definitely feel them. So, power and intention, yes, you're very powerful, and use that power for something nice. And ooh, yes, romance is coming, friends. Romance is coming for many of you, and new connections are coming. A healing is happening in a connection, and definitely a soul union is coming for you. Soulmates or union, a twin flame union, reunion is going to happen for you, friends. Amazing, amazing next 15 days. Very, very powerful. And that is why I have to do collectively. So some of you ask me why you do collective readings, because, friends, angels, because sometimes, we are all individuals, but at the same time we are all a family together, and sometimes the energies affect all the family. We are all a family also, so we need to know how it affects all of us, and how it affects us individually also. So both are, one and the same thing. It's like this side and this side, individual, family, one and the same thing, nothing, no difference, right? So let's see some of your charms for next 15 days. What will happen? I do see actually money coming for most of you. Some of you are definitely going to get some cash. Money, money, money. So you let me message me, okay? You let me know if money comes your way. Yep. Yeah, I was expecting some fruits will come because health is very important for you next 15 days. Let's see. So your initials are PACS and packed. I don't know what KC. What names can you make out of it? I don't know. Prashant. Maybe Prashant could be a name. Perry. I don't know what names can you make out of these. Oh my god. Casey could be a name. Casey. So cap could be important for some of you. Some if CAPS caps, CAPS. Those are the initials important for you. Number 2 is also important. 2 could also be the next 2 days or the next 2 weeks. It could also be the month of February. That's important. And number 7 is important. So 7 could be. Oh my god, look at that. 777 and 77 and 7. Oh my god, there is too much synchronicity happening right now. Goosebumps. Okay. So number 777 is very important for you, friends. And wind chime, yes, positive changes are coming for you. Hang on, don't give up. The purple bead is about intuition, your mind, your spirituality, heart. Yes, your heart will heal. Whatever is bothering you, whatever is becoming a burden, it will be resolved for you in the next 15 days. And apple, yes, a healthy happy diet is important for you next 15 days. So focus on your health, friends. Focus on what you are eating. And let's see what else. Four of Wands, marriage is very important, friends. For some of you, marriage, connections, marriage proposals, getting married, will that person, you might also be thinking why they didn't marry me, why they left me, all those kind of questions. Canada is also important. October is also important for you, friends. Lion, yes, you are very, very powerful. Past life connection, yes. For some of you, you are dealing or understanding your past life in this next 15 days. Queen of Wands and Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. Moon, yeah, your emotions are pretty high in the next 15 days. Nine of Cups, a celebration is coming. Something will happen which will make you feel happy. Red. Red is your color, friends. You see how many red color is here? There is some thread on this. Let me just, some boogie. I don't know what you call it. Some threads. Some, I don't know. Threads could also mean connections, Connections are there, connections. Eight of Cups, yes. Whatever you have lost, you will recover from it, friends. Three of Coins, celebrations. Support coming for you, support from people around you. And Asia and Canada both are important. So, long distance connections is important for you. So, and look at that inspiration. You are inspiring a lot of people, friends. So, don't worry. Style, yes, some of you will be changing your style, your looks. You're working on that. Some of you are working on your health, your fitness, you're trying to get into more shape. So well done. And whatever you, even if you don't want to get into shape, we love you always. That's it for now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Queen's Tarot, like and share, and join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.